No, I am. I'm just gonna do the next one.
We about to do this. On go, right?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Tom won. Look at Tom. We got the track race going on. It's going down. Know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Look like we got a winner. We got a winner right here.
I took off hard.
That's a winner.
Boy, they call me Young Looney Tune, you heard?
Fuck that bitch ass nigga. Fuck that nigga. I took off hard.
What you gotta say for the camera? Oh, Tom being very disrespectful to the camera.